next problem of protein analysis. A dipeptide that is made up of lysine and glutamic acid is given, and we have to separate this dipeptide via electrophoresis at pH 6. And based on this information, we have to choose right answer options. So here the structure of dipeptide, they clearly mention that it contains lysine and glutamic acid. And we all know that lysine is positively charged basic amino acid because of it contains 2 amino group and single negatively charged carboxyl group. So due to the presence of higher positively charged amino group, it is positively charged amino acid. I am talking about this amino acids charge at pH 7 when they are present in its Zwitter ion form. Okay. Now in glutamic acid, it is again negatively charged amino acid. Lysine contains, I told you that 2 positively charged amino group, and glutamic acid contains in opposite 2 carboxylic groups. At pH 7, this information are given. Now pH of the solution that is given is 6. Now what happened at 6 pH? It is slightly acidic than pH 7. So slightly hydrogen ion concentration is increasing. So due to increase in the hydrogen ion concentration, lysine contains 1 carboxylic group in its negatively charged, that is protonated and become uncharged. So overall charge of lysine, that is only due to the presence of 2 positively charged amino group, that is positive. Now for glutamic acid at pH 6, hydrogen ion concentration is again high. It contains 1 carboxylic group, 2 carboxylic group, there is correction here, and 1 amino group. So both of these carboxylic group is protonated and become uncharged. So again overall charge of glutamic acid is positive at pH 6, but it is less positive than lysine because it contains 1 amino group, whereas lysine has 2 positively charged amino group. Right. So now apply this concept into this problem, that lysine glutamine dipeptide at pH 6 contains total how much of groups? Total 2 plus 1, total 3 amino groups are there, whereas 1 carboxylic group in its negative form and 2 protonated carboxylic acids are present, right? So overall charge is positive because 3 amino groups, positively charged amino groups are present, and only 1 negatively charged carboxylate ion is present. So yes, there are chances that positively charged dipeptide will move towards negatively charged cathode when it is applied to electrophoretic well. But these wells are at pH 7, so there is slightly decrease in pH values, and okay, so its mobility, electrophoretic mobility is very much less. Sometimes it happens that it remains stationary. So among the answer options, option C is sometimes right, but in most of the cases it moves towards cathode. So option B is again a right answer. So there is small correction here. So if you think, friends, my videos are helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.